Okay guys, this is Pro Graphics once again, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Stager and Adobe Photoshop to create some 3D objects, or having some 3D models and you want to do some labeling. I'm going to teach you. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and this is what we are going to do today. Okay, so guys, let's proceed with today's tutorial. So what I'm going to do is, here's my models that I have over here, and this one is the Adobe Stager. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my okay, let me take this shape, the square. Then what I'm going to do, so when you press on 1, you'll be able to rotate. You press on, let me zoom out so that you see. You press on 2, you'll be able to pan around, right? Then you press on 3, you begin to zoom in and zoom out. So let's rotate it a little bit. Okay, then I click over here to reduce the height. Then I click here to stretch it a little bit. Then I stretch likewise here. Then the next thing is, let me press on 1 to rotate around. Then 3 to zoom in a little bit, to pan, 2 to pan around. Okay, so if you want to know if it's well situated, you just click on this one, it will fix well for you. So let me do some bevels over here. Okay, so that this place will be smooth a little bit. So I come and click on bevels, and guys, you can see, okay, you can see that. Okay, so that's the before and the after. Okay, so we have done something. So let's rotate it back and zoom out. Okay, so let it pan. Okay, then zoom in a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to bring, I'm bringing this hand sanitizer bottle. Yes, the soap bottle over here. Okay, so let me rotate again, then press on V to select this one, then pull it in. Okay, if I want it to be on top, I just click on this one to push it up. If it doesn't, I just put this one, then it pushes it up. So then zoom in a little bit. Okay, press on V to push it, then let's position it well, then press on V again to move it over here. Okay, so these ones I use in resizing or sizing it, so you can see it's being sized. So I click on this one, it's being pushed up. So I press on 1 to rotate around to check if my bottle is really okay. So I think there's something wrong. So let me stretch here a little bit. I think it's okay now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put my label to this one. So as it's being selected, my label is on my desktop. So let me come over here to my desktop. So yes, this is my label. I just click, hold and drag and come and put it. Where's my stager? Okay, so let me do it again. Okay, click on this one, click, hold, drag, and let me bring it over here, then just put it on it. Bam. So guys, you can see, so I'll just use this one to stretch it up and make sure it is in good shape. Okay, so I can just hold it and bring it down a little bit. Okay, position it well. Okay, so zoom out a little bit, then press on V. Okay, press on V to select the subject, then let's rotate to see. Okay, so let me push here. Okay, bring it forward a little bit, push it back here, then let's do this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add will be this one, the cream tube. Don't want to let me rotate, and that is far from. Okay, let's bring it in here. So pan, sorry. Okay, let's pan and bring it in here. So rotate. Then let's pan here. Okay. Then put this one here. Then rotate again. Okay. Then let's start panning. Then measure it out a little bit. Okay. So zoom in a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll press on V, select this one, then push it up a little bit. Then I'll come and add it to this one. Circulate it this way. So let me see. Okay. Okay. So let me do this. This has to go back a little bit. So come here. Okay. Then what you are going to do is, let me add this small one to it and put it somewhere here. Okay. So let it come to the side. Okay. Then we pull it forward a little bit. Rotate it. Okay. Let's push it this way. Okay, so rotate once again. Okay. Okay. So let this one come here. Okay. So okay, come here. Okay, so let me click this one. Then push it up small. Okay. Span here. So select this one, select this one. Then oh sorry. Select the cube. Select this one, select this one, let me select this. Okay. Cube is out. So let me select this one, select this one, select this one. Okay. Then bring it somewhere here. Okay. So it shouldn't enter. So let me click on this one, the sub bottle, then it should go back a little bit. Okay. So let me zoom in. So let me collide this. Okay. 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 So guys, you can see. Let me zoom out. Okay. So let me try putting this on this, if it will work. So let me come over here, come and choose this one, then let me drop it on Stadia, drop it on this one. Okay, I think it has worked. So okay, so let me zoom in. Okay. Okay. this one. I'm going to move it one. Okay, let me stretch a little bit so that okay. So it can be like this. Okay. Then let's apply the same thing to this one. Come over here. Click on this. Then let's come to our stager. Let's add it to this one. Okay, so this one, let's go this way. Okay, like this. Then let's stretch it. Okay, let's stretch it. So let me zoom out. Okay, so let's stretch it like this. Okay. Okay, so let's rotate. Then let's bring this one onto here. Okay, so let's rotate again. Okay, so you can see we having our product now. So what we are going to do over here is let's do some small coloring. So let's come to the background, select the environment over here and come to the background. Then let's use the eyedropper tool to choose any color over here. So we can choose this yellow, or you can choose this green, but I wish we choose this one. Okay, because it makes the whole thing look bright. Okay, so the next thing is to add materials to some of them. So let's click over here, then let's click this drop, then drop down. So you see here, you want to specify, okay, this one is the down one. Okay, so you can see this one is the top. So what you are going to do is you click over here and come to materials. Then let's see the material that will really match what we want to do. So which color, which color, which color, which color, which color. Okay. Okay. I think let's leave it for now. Like, it's not bad. Okay. Then let's come back over here. Then let's add some splits form of water to it. So let's put it over here. Okay, so let me rotate it over here. Then zoom here. Okay, let me rotate it there. Okay, so let me bring it somewhere here. And then rotate back again. Then push it here. Okay, and then let me pull it down a little bit so that it touch there. Good. And then Control D to duplicate. Okay, so I'll just click and drag. As you can see, it has duplicated. Okay, so let me rotate it. Okay, then zoom out to see where we are, then click on it and press on V. Then let me push this one here. Okay, so let me pull here. Okay, so I have to rotate it so it matches with what we have. So let's click on this one, then rotate it slowly. Rotate it slowly like this. Okay, so let me rotate. Okay guys, so let's continue by adding materials to the objects over here. So let me come to this one. That is there. Then let's come to the body. Let's come to the cap head. Then let's copy this one, this material, to the cap head like this. Okay. Okay. Then let's come to the cap itself. Okay. Let's copy the same color. Then let's put it on it like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to change the color. The machine is lagging a little bit, so guys forgive me. Okay, so you come over here, then let's select, let me choose the eyedropper. This one is called the eyedropper. Then select any of the colors over here, and then let me move to this one. Okay, then click over here. Sorry. Okay, then come here, click, then let's use the eyedropper too. Then let's select this one over here. Okay, so let's do this, the same thing to this one. Okay, so let's drop this color from here onto the top of this one. Okay, it's been applied to the hill. We don't want it that way, so let's look for it. So the small one. Okay, so I think this one will be from the head. Okay, so I found the head now. So this is the head. So you come and pick the drop it over here. Good. Then what you do is come and choose this color. Okay. Let's choose this one. Then let's use the same eyedropper. This is the eyedropper too. Then click on this one to change the color. Okay, I think it's okay now. So the next thing to add this one is water. So we add the water material to this like this. Okay, then come and choose this one too. Okay, then add the water material to it. So guys, remember that this one is just a sample tutorial that we are doing. Okay, so let me press, then rotate. Okay, then what I'll do is, let's duplicate this one by pressing on the Alt key. Or Control D to duplicate. So I'll just click drag. Let me rotate it here. Okay. So click on it. Then put this thing down a little bit. Then let me push it closer to what we have over here. Okay. So let me push it over here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase the size. Okay. Like this. Okay, so let me position it well then. Guys, you can see there's one two over here. Okay. Let me position it well. Okay. Then let's rotate it a little bit. Okay. Delete this one. Okay guys, so let's export it and let's do some few attachments in Photoshop. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Since the rendering is done and we have opened it in Photoshop, now I made it that after it's done with the rendering, we want a Photoshop file so that we can do some few changes. So we can see the depth marks over here. Okay, you can see the depth of marks over here. You can see them. So what you are going to do, you are going to tweak the background. So you can see that you have the background separately. You have the noise. That means that there's less noise in this image, and this is the rendered image itself. So you can see. Okay guys, so what you are going to do, you are going to change the background a little bit by adding gradients to it. So this is my background. So I'll just come over here. Either I can bring in a gradient from here. Let me gradient, yes. So you can see. Then I come over here. Then choose any of the gradient like this one. So remember, this one is a linear. We are using a linear gradient type, so you can see what is happening. Okay, so I click over here, then I come and choose a color here, so you can see. But this side is a dark side, so we have to choose a dark aspect of whatever you are doing, so you can see. Then let's come over here. Come on, we come over here, then we choose somewhere here. Okay, so you can change it like this. You can even change it, so you can see, you can change it. So let's see, you can change it any color that you want, or you feel you can match it with. Okay. Okay. So you can see, so you can do something like this, or better still, you can come, then choose any of the colors over here to blend with what you have. Okay guys, so that is how I was able to achieve this in Adobe Substance Stager and using Photoshop to make some few tweaks. You can choose to also add other stuffs to it. If you have some kind of flowers, which is a PNG type of flowers, you can put it over here to make the whole thing looks more nice. Yeah, so when it comes to Photoshop, you can do the change that you wish to do on this particular image. Let me see if I can bring something in over here. So as I said, all depends on you. Okay, all depends on you on how you want to do it. So if it's over here, then let's come to the top. So come over here, then let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, so you can see, so you can go behind. Okay, so all depends on what you want to do. So guys, you can see, let me see if you have a white background, if it will really match. So let's come to solid color, then choose white, then bring this one down over here. So you can also see this one too is not bad. Okay, this one, but remember it's rendered with the environment, so you can see that the water is having some kind of, so you have to go for to blend it. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. So if you find this tutorial to be helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.